Chinatown in Bangkok. It's a great market here, and a lot of activities, commerce thing. People are very busy for the Chinese New Year, right? Shopping is going on here. So follow me. All the stores. Full of stuff. This place reminds me very close to New Delhi in India, Delhi. Sadar Bazaar or Chandni Chowk. You know, like an alley, very tight alley, and a lot of activities, the commerce, trade thing going on. And it reminded me very close to India. But this is in Bangkok, Chinatown, January 10, 2024. Ciao.
Okay.
Right in Monastery, like Bulgaria, but in Bangkok, it's Chinatown. So as you can see here, the market is so busy. You know, hustle and bustle everywhere. People are shopping for Chinese New Year, coming in February. And busy. Very busy. This is like seafood, right? This seafood, shrimp. See, this is how it looks like Thai street food. Very popular. It's fried like a roti kind of thing, and people are really enjoying here. See, dad is giving to his son. You want to try? No. Maybe one each. All right. So let's see how it tastes like.